Sometimes set of polygons is not at the center of the main object. For example, these faces is not at the center of this main object right here. In order to fix these issues, you have to zero out this object right here. Zero out the x, y, and z. And now we have this object at the center of our pivot right here. Now I'm gonna select all these faces that goes to the right and left because we use like a script like a regularizer or other script that may move the circular shape to the left and right, and I'm gonna put the x to the 0. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Select all these edges, put it to the 0. Select this vertex right here. I'm gonna move it to the 0. Now these faces at the top and the bottom, the circle shape is exactly at the center of this main object.